Coming up, how to create a pop-up form or an exit pop in Kartra. Hey guys, Simon Crack here from Dead Cool Apps, and today I'm going to shoot a quick tutorial video on how to create a pop-up form in Kartra. It's pretty simple, so this video shouldn't take too long at all. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously have a page. So let's just create any blank page so I can show you. So we'll do a long sales page, and we'll pick one of these pre-designed templates. Let's go for this one and launch builder. I'm just going to name it test. Put it in no particular category. Test do. So here we have our page that we're going to use as a template. So what we can do is we can obviously go into this page and change it to whatever we want to say. Obviously, you can use the text editor to go through here. I'll explain how to make a page properly in a different video, but for this one, we want to show you how to create a pop-up form. So it's quite easy. It's probably one of the easiest things you can do. When you're in the page builder here, you look over here and you've got a pop window. You just click on that. And now what do we want? Do we want a landing pop-up? So when someone visits the page, do we want the pop-up to come up and say, enter your name and email address for a report? Obviously, a lot of mobile browsers now kind of block pop-ups or frown upon them, but you can still use them for websites, for on desktop. So if you want to have that, you'd click yes, and then you literally just drag and drop it, and then you can edit whatever text you want. And again, this is where you can select the form that you need to add into it. Now, I've actually recorded another video showing you how to set up Kartra opt-in forms. So if you go and have a look at that video, if you don't know how to do this next bit, but once you've set up a form, it will be here available to be able to select, and you can apply that, and then close out of this, and then that will be on the page. So let's just preview that. And hopefully, as soon as it loads, boom, we have a pop-up. Okay, so that's how you want to do a landing pop-up. So let's go back in here and deactivate. And also, just to show you, and so user can actually land on your page, maybe start to read your content, then you can have the pop-up show up. So it's a little bit less intrusive. You can make it show up on every visit or only on the first visit as well. So there's a couple of options there that are quite handy. So for this one, and obviously you've got loads of different designs that you can choose from. And if you don't like any of them, you can use, drag a template and then edit it and turn it into pretty much whatever you want. So that's pretty cool. So let's turn this off. So we don't want a landing pop-up. Let's say we want an exit pop-up instead. So I'll click on that and I'll say activate yes. Again, you've got all these pre-built templates. Grab one that you like, drag and drop. Okie dokie. Again, on every visit, I'll keep that clicked, selected. Again, like the page builder, you can go in and enter and amend it for whatever you're wanting to give away. And you can click here to pick the form that you'll have pre-built already. Apply that. And then basically let's preview what we've got here. So now when this page loads, it doesn't have a pop-up, but if someone then goes to close this window, boom, pop-up pops up. So this is a good way of saving a visitor if someone is not wanting to buy right now and they go to exit the page. You can show a pop-up to capture their name and email address to maybe email them at a later date and exit out of that. So that is basically how to set up a landing pop-up and an exit pop-up. And we also got an extra one here, which is quite handy, called a footer bar. Now you can do a similar thing, and it's not as intrusive. If you want to have a footer bar, so you just grab one, and we'll drop it at the bottom of this page here. I'll move me out of the way. So what you can actually set up here is some sort of call to action. So maybe you want to say, giving away a free report. So you might want to say, enter your email, name and email here for a free report or something, and then click me. And then this is where you can then edit this click me bit. And when you click on link, you can link to say a pop-up opt-in form. And then again, you'll select the one you want, go through and edit it as before. And then let's preview how that looks. So now we've got our page here, and then we've got, hopefully you can see that, I'll just scroll up a little bit. There we go. So you can see, you can have your call to action at the bottom here, and someone's like, yep, they'll click it, boom, you get your pop-up box for your name and email. So again, that's another thing that maybe is a little bit less as intrusive as the pop-ups, just having a little bar at the bottom. So if someone's reading through your content, that's kind of like a sticky bar, so that will stay there at the bottom there. And then maybe at some point they decide, yeah, they do want whatever you're going to give away. They can then click and enter their name and email address, and it all works seamlessly. And they can also exit away. So that's pretty much it. So that's literally, 3 ways to do pop-up forms and exit pops, as well as the notification bar. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like I say, it's pretty simple, but it's kind of one of those things where once you know, and it's easy to do. But if you don't know, you could be looking around Kartra wondering how to do it. So I hope you found this video useful, like I say. If you want to try Kartra, if you're not using Kartra yet, you can sign up at the minute for a 2-week trial. I think it's for like $1. If you use my link, then once you've signed up, email me or send me a message, and I will send you 2 of my best converting funnels for free. So I will basically give you a special code, I'll show you how to do it, where we can transplant my best converting funnels into your Kartra account, and you can literally just go in and edit it. So if that sounds cool to you, then do that. If not, no worries. And I hope you, like I say, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks.